Hello everyone, and welcome to our course about Forex Sentiment. Before we dive right into it, let me say a few words about who we are and then we can look at what we are going to learn in this course. We are a team of traders and software engineers, and we've been working and trading together for a while. A few years ago, we started trading using the Forex Sentiment. And that has proven successful for us. As a result of that, we decided to build a tool that would help us and everyone else to trade using the Forex Sentiment. So we launched a website called forexclientsentiments.com. Since then, visitors have asked us to detail how we use the Forex Sentiment in our trading. So we decided to create this course. In here, we're going to explain our trading strategy. So that's how we are trading using the Forex Sentiment. We're going to show you how we identify our trading opportunities and how we manage the trades once they are open. The reason we're showing all this is so that we can exemplify how the Forex Sentiment could be used in trading. Of course, we're not saying trade in the same way we do, certainly not. We know that each trader has their own strategy or specific circumstances, so what works for us may not work for you. But we think that analyzing this strategy has a great educational potential, and it makes for a good example while showing how the Forex Sentiment can be used in trading. It's a great way to learn how to read the sentiment data and how to apply the Contrarian Indicator. Many of us already know that most retail traders are losing money in the Forex market, and that there may be a good idea to, in fact, trade against the consensus here. The sentiment can help with that, and we're going to show a way to do just that in this course. So, what exactly are we going to cover in this course? Naturally, we're going to explain what the Forex Sentiment is and then touch on the Contrarian Indicator. We're then going to take this info and put it together in a trading strategy example where we're going to show how we identify trading opportunities and how we manage the trades once they are open. While this covers the main topic, we're also going to touch on a few other things that we think are essential to know when trading the Forex Sentiment, as well as some side topics and tips that are important yet not very well documented online. So that's about it. Without further ado, let us begin.